So this has been an amazing campsite for about 20 bucks Canadian. Get my own shower, hot water, toilet, barbecue area, charging ports everywhere, which is wild, like more than I would ever need. Bike was there. I was up before sunrise to fix up a few things, make some coffee. Finally got this carburetor boot, carb manifold installed, which was really hard, just awkward, but it's in there, definitely much better than before. And now I'm pretty much gonna start pushing for Swakopmund. I want to get out of this dust. It's been really hard on the bike, and now it's kind of just a touristy area. And on to the next adventure. Oh, the roads are so bad. So much sand. And the tourists have made the roads just like washboard. They say sunkblot, like corrugated iron roads. It's terrible. And then I go fast, and then I'm wishy-washy all over the place, and it's so fun, but it's chaos. At one point, the road just ended in a big pile of sand, and I went from 80 to 0 in a very short time. Oh, it's stressful and it's fun at the same time. Oh. The bike is handled differently since I moved all the saddlebags and all the weight forward. I was more wishy-washy. Now I'm a little bit more centered. It's fun. Ay, ay, ay. I want it to end. It's beautiful here. It's hot. Road is over there. There's no road. This is off-road. Some other road. Parallel road. gonna chase an ostrich. You win this time, ostriches. Took a couple knocks there. Forget that when you're not on a road, there can be holes and stuff. Woo! After chasing that ostrich and turning around, I can't see the road. It would be so easy to get lost out here. Woo! Good time for a break and a story. I once heard a Berber folktale that said that if you're ever lost in the desert, as a Berber might be, and that's why this situation is appropriate, if you're ever lost, just stop and wait for God to tell you which way to go. Make of that what you will, but I think it makes sense. Because the main reason why people die when they get lost is that they panic and they end up just walking circles and not making any sense of the situation. Chasing that ostrich was cool. They're fast. I looked at my speedometer and we were going about 60 kilometers per hour. That is dope. Man, you can die quickly out here. Right on.